My name's Jason Chapman. We own a company called Masada Picture Cars, and we also own 2 smash repair shops. Masada Picture Cars, of course, deals with Pickles more than the other businesses because we work in film and TV, providing vehicles and vehicle services. I've been with Pickles now as a buyer for well over 15 years and as a vendor for over 10. We've bought and sold over 200 cars with Pickles over the years, and we've used them for absolutely everything from general film vehicles that we've put into fleet, into the police cars or the ambulances that you see on film and TV every day, to service vehicles, to the ones that we destroy, blow up, and you'll never see again, but have really, really memorable moments. With Pickles, we found the valuation services for both salvage and intact vehicles to be a really, really important asset to us. And when we get valuations, they are within an acceptable percentage of being absolutely spot on, and that's really, really important to us. My standout purchase would be when one of Australia's leading TV series came to us and wanted a dramatic, sensational, spectacular end-of-year episode. So of course, we had to go to Pickles for something like that. We bought them across Australia. We bought them from regular Pickles, and of course Pickles Salvage, because the ones that we're going to destroy don't need to be perfect cars. And that was a really fun experience going out and organising all these vehicles. But it was also a really enjoyable experience shooting it, of course. With Pickles, I describe them as being consistent, informative, responsive, professional and friendly. And those things do go an extremely long way with making any business like mine be able to run properly.